Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. Assalamu alaikum viewers. Welcome to our series of videos in which we are explaining you how you can use Microsoft Excel to perform the missed salats, the qada, doing the qada of all the salats. And especially the matter become very complicated when you have plenty of things in the backlog, right? So the backlog, the quantum of the backlog is increasing day by day. Each day which is passed without the performing of salah, it's a sinful day. And each day, the sixth of the salats have to be done qada for, means you have to clear that backlog. And on the first come first perform basis, means the oldest salah which you missed have to be performed first if you have a large number of this. So case of salah in your balance, right? So we have made a file for you which you can use easily to keep an account of your miss salah, your qaza salah, and it allows you to enter your performing of the qaza salah, and also it makes sure that since you have done the tawbah, so all your future salah are being reported as performed, and then with a pie chart it shows you that where are you standing, how far you have to go, right? And also the Fidia calculation is also imparted into this tool, which is a wonderful tool, which will be very useful for all those who want to, or who want to have some utility which would help them in the day-to-day performing of the Miss Salah, right? So yes, the first thing we do is let's talk about this question and answer. The question is it permissible to miss Salah and because you have a flu or are sleeping? So can you miss the Salah? The answer is that Bismillah ar-Rahman ar-Rahim. It says that it is not permissible. It is not permissible for one to forego his salah due to being ill or due to having a flu. This is not a right reason, right? There is no. You have to perform the salah. And the answer also says that if the answer reads like this, yeah, if one goes to sleep, one should make arrangement for someone to wake him up, or put an alarm clock, so that one does not miss the salah, but performs the salah in the salah time. It is essential, right? And Allah Ta'ala knows the best, right? So this is the answer of the question, which is very relevant, that we normally feel as if it is permissible, that since you are not feeling well and you have you were tired and you were ill, or you have flu, or you just you were sleeping, that's why you did not, that, and no problem. No, you have to perform the salah. These are the rights of Allah upon us. We are God. We are supposed to take due respect. We have to show the due respect to this and be careful about it. And the first thing on the day of judgment, the first thing in the reckoning will be the salah. If if that stage is gone problematic, then all the rest of the things will also be more problematic, right? So this is the time that we give the due respect. We do care about this very sensitive issue. For this, we have offered you a tool which is called which we have in the VBA folder. If you see, yeah, this is the VBA folder, and in the VBA folder you will see these are our files, right? So you can put on these files anywhere in your folder and copy it, and then what we do, we make a copy it before we use it, so that the originality remains intact, right? The original uh, originality is protected. So what we do is we make a different name of it. It is lesson number 495, and we remove this part of the file name, and this is, now we have a new file with a new name, and you open it. Once you open it, so it offers you to enable the contents. You enabling the contents will take you to the Salah sheet, and it will make the entries until the yesterday. Yesterday was 24, so it has made all it has presumed that you are no longer going to miss any Salah. All what was due is being paid, right? Now double click anywhere in the sheet. This will take you to this position in which you are you are supposed to select the cell which is immediately first available cell, the blank cell in the D column, right? And here you are going to do the double click. So after 22 was the 23, and on which how many days? We covered 5 days on the 23rd, right? That's all. It's immediately least typing, and you don't have to type much, only double click, right? So we are entering 2 days time, right? So on 24 also we did 5 days. So you say 5 days on the 24th, right? So this updates all your figures here, and you have the Fidia calculation. After that, this amount is still due upon me, and it is being calculated on a rate, right? This is the rate obtained from the scholars, from the Darul Ifta, and on the basis of this, and this multiplied by this will you will get this figure, right? And that's it. And you have the chart ready, pie chart. This slice is the overdue one that represents 43,914. It's reducing day by day when we perform this, and and uh, and if you and we pray that Allah make me. I pray that Allah make me consistent, and I see this part is removed from this pie chart, and we have only this. And all what was due that was prayed, and this is the purpose of this simplified tool which we have made for this, and that the basic of basic thing, the basic idea upon which it is built, that is that we do the Tawbah first of all. That Tawbah is a firm commitment to Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala, that we are not going to return to the sinful life of spending the time without performing the 6 salat per day, right? So these are, and when we do double click, so it takes us to this position. Okay, so what you need to have is some sort of motivation for motivating your own self. There are different speeches available, different poetries available, which give you the thirst in yourself to do the tawbah, to remain steadfast, right? So this is the great poetry, and directly telling you that what you should do in order to come back to the right path, right? So ya wa ya wayhi alam asma kalam Allah yaduni. Woe to me, did I not hear the words of God calling me? Word of Allah calling me, right? Alam asma lima qad jaa fi qafin wa yasin. And did I not hear what was said in Qaf and Yasin? Muslims know what is Qaf and Yasin. It is in Quran. One verse, one chapter of Quran is called Qaf. So Qaf, and Surah Yasin. It's the heart of Quran. Yasin. So Alam Asma means, didn't I not hear? Alam Asma lima qad jaa fi Qaf wa Yasin. Alam Asma bi yawm al-hashr yawm al-jam'i wa dini. Did I not hear of the day of resurrection, the day of reconciliation and religion? يوم الجمع والدين. ألم أسمع منادي الموت يدعوني يناديني. Haven't I heard the caller of death calling me? Caller of death is calling me. Yeah, and فيا رب عبد الطيب من ذا سيأويني. Oh my Lord, repentant servant, who will shelter me? من ذا سيأويني. Who will shelter me? So before it's too late, we should get back to the right path. Okay, thank you very much for watching.